Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Puya and this is the Crypto Earner channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through a complete beginner's guide to MEXC exchange. We'll cover everything you need to know, from signing up, making your first deposit, spot trading, and even how to trade futures with leverage. If you are new to crypto or looking for a better exchange to trade on, this video is for you. Let's get started. MEXC is a global cryptocurrency exchange founded in 2018, and it's known for its wide range of trading pairs and fast, secure trading experience. It supports over 1,000 cryptocurrencies and offers spot trading, futures trading, staking, and copy trading. MEXC is especially popular among traders because it has low trading fees, deep liquidity, and no mandatory KYC for basic trading, which means you can start quickly. Now, let's check how we can create an account on MEXC. To sign up on MEXC, you can use the link I've put in the description. By using this link, you can also take advantage of MEXC exchange bonuses. The more you trade, the more bonuses you will receive. You can register with your email address or phone number, enter your details, set a strong password, and verify your account with the confirmation code sent to your email. Once your account is active, I highly recommend setting up two-factor authentication using Google Authenticator. Hover the mouse on your profile picture and select Security. Here you can enable 2FA or two-factor authentication. This step adds strong protection to your account and helps keep your funds safe. Now that your account is ready, let's deposit some funds. Hover your mouse on the deposit section and select on-chain deposit. Here, select the cryptocurrency you want to add. For example, USDT. Choose the network carefully, such as TRC20, ERC20 or BEP20, depending on where you are sending from. Copy the wallet address and transfer your crypto. After the transaction confirms on the blockchain, your balance will appear in your MEXC wallet. If you don't have crypto yet, you can also buy directly with a credit card or bank transfer through MEXC's Buy Crypto section. Now let's talk about spot trading. Hover your mouse on the spot and click on the spot tab. Here you'll see the trading chart, order book, and pairs, very similar to other exchanges. Let's say you want to buy Bitcoin using USDT. Select BTC USDT pair, and then you can choose between a market order, which executes instantly at the best available price, or a limit order, where you choose your own price and wait for the market to reach it. Enter the amount you want to buy or sell, click buy BTC or sell BTC, and that's it. Your first spot trade on MEXC. Now let's move on to something more advanced, futures trading. MEXC's futures platform allows you to trade perpetual contracts, which means you can profit from price movements without actually owning the asset. You can go long if you think the price will go up, or short if you think it will go down. The most powerful feature here is leverage. You can trade with up to 500 leverage on certain pairs. But remember, higher leverage means higher risk, so always use it carefully. Here's how to open your first futures position. First, transfer some funds from your spot wallet to your futures wallet. To do this, hover your mouse on the wallets button and select futures. Here you can click on the transfer button and transfer your funds from spot account to futures account. Then go to futures tab and select USDTM futures. Select the trading pair, for example, BTC USDT, then choose your leverage level. For beginners, I recommend keeping it low, maybe 3 or 5. Then choose your margin mode. This part is very important. MEXC offers two types of margin modes, isolated and cross. In isolated mode, only the amount of margin you assign to that single trade is at risk. If the trade moves against you, only that portion will be liquidated. This mode is safer for beginners because your loss is limited to what you put in for the trade. In cross mode, all the balance in your futures wallet is shared across all open positions. If one trade starts losing, it can use the remaining balance from your wallet to avoid liquidation. This can help keep a position live longer, but it also means you could lose your entire futures balance if the market moves sharply against you. So be very careful to use this mode. A good rule of thumb is this: use isolated for short-term or high-risk trades, use cross if you are managing multiple positions and want more flexibility. After choosing your margin mode, choose whether you want to go long or short. Set your amount and click open long or open short. Once your trade is active, you'll see it in the positions section where you can track real-time profit and loss. Note that futures trading can be exciting, but it can also be dangerous if you don't manage risk properly. Always set a stop loss order to limit potential losses and a take profit order to automatically secure your gains. Avoid using maximum leverage and never trade with funds you can't afford to lose. Successful traders always focus on capital protection first and profits second. Now let's talk about withdrawing funds. When you're ready to withdraw, go to wallets and select withdraw. Select the cryptocurrency, for example USDT. Select your desired network, for example Binance Smart Chain or Web20, and enter your destination address here. And always check the minimum withdrawal amount to be sure you will receive your tokens. Enter the amount, double check the details, and confirm the transaction. Withdrawal on MEXC are usually processed within minutes, depending on blockchain congestion. MEXC also offers several extra features that make it more than just a trading platform, including copy trading, automatically follow professional traders and copy their strategies, staking, earn passive income by locking up your crypto, launchpad, participate in early stage token projects before they list publicly, and mobile app. Trade, deposit, and withdraw directly from your phone anytime and anywhere. And that's it, your complete guide to using MEXC exchange. We covered everything from creating an account, securing it, depositing funds, spot trading and futures trading, to advanced features like copy trading and staking. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss more crypto tutorials and trading tips. Thanks for watching. Love you. Bye.